Whew. Okay, so now we are getting into 2/4 time. So there's a variation of abilities to do 2/4 time. We're going to go with two forms of 2/4. We're going to do a check mark 2/4, and then we're going to do what we call fight song 2/4. I'm going to go ahead and start with the fight song 2/4. That one simply is you're going to go back up to your prep, and this time instead of starting out here, you're going to intentionally bring it in. Okay, and so because this is going to be beat 2 when we come back up to it. So we're going to slam down to beat 1, and then we're going to go back up for beat 2, and then 1, 2, 1, 2. Super clean 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. A lot of times we call that fight song 2/4. Okay, fight song 2/4, or anything that's going to be moving rather quick. That's the 2/4 that we prefer you use. Now let's go with the check mark 2/4. The check mark 2/4 is going to be maybe for some slower tempos, some awesome showmanship things that we have in store for you in other videos. So let's think about and talk about the check mark. So basically, think about your arrow that you were making. Okay, so we're going to take off that angle right here, and so we're going to just be left with a check mark on both sides. So we're no longer framing the face. So we've eliminated framing the face. So as you noticed, we eliminated going back up halfway. Now we're eliminating the face angle. Okay, just deduction. So hopefully this is making sense as you go from 4/4, 3/4 into 2/4. So now we've just basically taken a pattern and taken two elements out of it, and it creates this. So we start here and we go down 1, then we go out 2, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Come up high 1. There you go. 2 and 1 and 2. Let's try the other arm up here, and ready and go, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, and add both arms, and 1 out 2 up, 1 out 2. One more time, 1 out 2, and you're done. Awesome. Those are the 3 basic patterns that we're going to be asking for in your auditions: 4/4, 3/4, and 2/4. I'll be making another video pretty soon to show you some showmanship, to show you how to cut off, and just to explain sequences that we may be asking for during your audition process. Hope this is helpful.